Alright, I'm gonna unbox my new Tops Wolfe survival knife. Actually, it's not a true unboxing because I opened it last night and I've been playing with it all day. So, this is the box it came in. I'm assuming it's a factory Tops box. This is how it came packaged. Came with this. And everything looks authentic and high quality, as you would expect from Tops. Came with a nylon sheath with a Kydex insert, Velcro straps, and it's got a little pouch here for, I guess, a whetstone. Trying to do this all with one hand. See the Kydex. Like I said, I opened this last night and played with it, so and here she is. So I had a hard time finding one of these for quite a while. All the mainstream online sellers were out, and then I found one, a website that had them, one that I've never bought from before, the Knife Connection. I believe they're in Ohio. So the one that was pictured had a silver finish, but this one's black, which doesn't really bother me. I don't know if that number is like a serial number or production number or what, but of course, made in the USA. It is one stout knife. It's got G10 handles, 1095 high carbon steel. Yeah, it just rings. And it's razor sharp, dangerous sharp. The blade's 3/16 thick, full tang. It's got these nice little orange liners. Feels really good in my hand. It's got real aggressive little notches here and there. But what struck me about this knife is it is heavy, because it's got a lot of steel in it. It says 12 ounces on the specs on the website, but I didn't weigh it. But I did measure it with my mic and a little tape measure, and everything is dead on. It's 11 inches overall. It's got 5 3/4 blade from the handle to the tip, and a 5-inch cutting edge. It's got a flat grind clip point blade, and I haven't used it yet, but I can tell you what, this knife is so thick and heavy. 1095, I don't think you'd have to work real hard to damage this knife. you know, 1095 resharpens really easy, so I'll probably actually get a whetstone, a cheaper one, and put in the pouch on the sheath. But anyways, it's a really cool knife, and the only website I can find, and you know, today is September 15th, 2021, and every online retailer is out of stock for months. And I found it, the Knife Connection, and theknifeconnection.com, and they it says they have 13 left in stock. But just beware that the one pictured has a silver finish and the one I got's black. And it says it's supposed to come with an emergency whistle, which I didn't get. But I don't care about that. So anyways, you know, it's not a real true review because I haven't gone out and, you know, chop with it, cut with it. But there's lots of other videos on YouTube of people doing that. I'm not a, you know, I don't claim to be a knife expert at all. I just like knives. And I'm definitely not a survivalist guy, but I always wanted a survival knife. And whatever, I don't know if this is not a bushcraft knife, but it can be used for anything you'd use a bushcraft knife for. So I'm very happy. This knife is solid. I mean, it's heavy. So it weighs 3/4 of a pound. Pretty stout knife. So there you go. Tops Airwolf AIR-01 is the model. Thanks for watching.